start by also acknowledging my colleagues who are here. Michael Levitt, Member of Parliament for York Centre. Where's Michael? There he is. And of course, my friend, my colleague, Francesco Sobara, Member of Parliament for Vaughan Woodbridge. Francesco, thank you for coming. And of course, Laura Albanese, my friend, former Member of Provincial Parliament for this riding of York South Western, and Minister of Citizenship and Immigration for Ontario. Thank you so much, Laura, for coming. Friends, why are we here? We're here because we're part of a movement that has more than 100,000 new members, a movement that has more than 84,000 volunteers, a movement that believes in a better Canada and hope for everyone and an inclusive society. And I'll begin by telling you why I ran for office. Just like many of you right here, or those who don't experience this, their parents, we all came to Canada in search of a better life. And I can tell you, we all relied on community services to get ahead. Whether you're a young person printing that first resume at a library like I did, whether it is taking the TTC to work or to school because you couldn't afford a car or you wanted to avoid congestion, whether you relied on social assistance or social housing like I did to attend and graduate from university. Those community services make the difference and lead to the success of millions of Canadians every single day. And I was concerned because, thank you, and I was concerned because those services were increasingly being cut. They were increasingly being attacked. And you know, there was a politician a few years ago that said that libraries are for the elite, that we don't need libraries, that we should get rid of social housing, that we shouldn't invest in the transit system. Well, I disagree, because those services not only need to be defended and preserved for this generation, but we need to fight for those services to expand them for the next generation. And that is why I ran for office. And ladies and gentlemen, if you can give me your time, I know you're making some noise at the back. I promise you, if you give me a few minutes so that you can hear my voice, I will give you my voice for the next 4 years. So what did I do about that? Well, I reached out to people in York South Western, friends, family, friends, friends of family. You get the picture. And I asked each one of them to join our campaign, to knock on doors and fight for the community services that helped all of us to get ahead. And we knocked on doors. And many said that we couldn't do it, we couldn't make it, that we wouldn't win in York South Western, that Liberals could not win in York South Western federally. But we proved them wrong. How did we do that? By having one conversation at a time and knocking on doors in York South Western. Having a campaign of a positive politics campaign, a campaign of hope that fought the politics of fear and division that the Harper Conservatives were pushing in 2015. And we made history. We made history. We made history